Hello, welcome to this tutorial of the Elementy 2015 software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the data-driven widgets, specifically the Spreadsheets folder. So if I come to my library, and these folders in green, we're going to be talking about the Spreadsheets folder. This can take a spreadsheet that you have in Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet software. Once it's saved as a CSV file, you can bring it in as data into the Elementy software using these feed widgets. So I've got a spreadsheet here that I've just made, just a real simple one. I'm going to note the column headers for each one of these columns. We're going to be keeping these in mind to map the data. And then this is all the data that we're going to show below it. So I'm going to save this file out. Save as this PC documents, and I'm just going to save it locally into my project, and let's just name it call center data, and then save as type. I'm going to make sure that I select CSV comma delimited and then hit save. You can just say yes to this message if you're working in Excel. And I'm pretty sure if I close this down, it's going to ask me to save it again. So I'll do it one more time. And just say the same options every time. So now if I refresh my project, I should have a CSV file in here now. Good, I do. Now I'm going to take, in the library, I already have my Spreadsheets folder open. And I'm going to use one of these. For this one, I'm going to use the text ticker. Drag it over and add it as a layer, and then I'm just going to size and position it along the bottom. Save, and then I'm going to open up that layer, and in the data source, let me come back to my project folder so I know what the name of it is. I'm just going to type in the name of the file, exactly how it is right here. If you're using a remote location or a web server, the file is accessible through HTTP or HTTPS, you would put that in the URI as well. Refresh, I'm going to set to 2 hours and then hit OK. When I hit OK, this text ticker should stop showing text, which it is, which means I need to change the text template and map the data. So I'm going to open that up, and if I remember correctly, I believe it was employee. And then I'm going to separate it with a colon, and I'm going to add another piece of data. I think it was average. And then I'm going to separate that with a dash and then do approval. I believe that's what it was. Hit OK. Let's see if I did it right. I'm going to speed it up. All right. I think I did get it right. Okay, excellent. So it's just showing all the data in the employee column first, then the average column second, followed by the approval. So it's basically showing a row of data at a time. You can change the spacing as well and make this faster just so I can check the spacing. Okay, that's not too bad. And I'll save that out. Keep in mind you can use any one of these feed widgets for your spreadsheets. The data mapping process is exactly the same. And if you'd like, you can take a look at the individual video named data mapping as well on our tutorials. So thank you very much for watching this video.